Hello everyone and welcome. Artificial intelligence is evolving at an incredible pace. Just a few years ago, most AI systems were simple chatbots. These systems could respond to questions, generate text, and assist users with basic tasks. However, their intelligence was limited. They mostly relied on static responses and predefined knowledge. But today, we are entering a completely new phase of artificial intelligence, the era of AI agents. Modern AI agents go far beyond traditional chatbots. Instead of just generating responses, they can reason, plan tasks, use external tools, and execute actions to achieve a goal. Think about the difference between asking an assistant a question and assigning them a task. A traditional AI system might answer a question about market trends. But an AI agent could search the web, analyze datasets, summarize insights, and create a report automatically. This shift represents a major transformation in how AI systems operate. AI is no longer just answering questions, it is starting to perform real work. This is why AI agents are becoming a central concept in modern AI engineering and enterprise automation. In this video, we will break down the architecture of AI agents, understand how they work internally, and explore how technologies like large language models, planning systems, tools, and memory work together to create intelligent autonomous systems. So what exactly is an AI agent? An AI agent is a system that can perceive information, reason about it, make decisions, and take actions to achieve a goal. Unlike traditional AI models that only generate outputs, an AI agent is designed to continuously interact with its environment. Most AI agents operate using something called the agent loop. The first step is to observe the environment or receive input from the user. Next, the agent analyzes the problem using its reasoning engine. Then it plans the actions required to solve the task. After that, the agent executes those actions. Finally, it evaluates the results and learns from them. This cycle continues until the goal is completed. This observe, think, plan, act, learn cycle is what enables AI agents to perform complex tasks. For example, an AI research assistant might gather information from multiple sources, analyze the data, summarize insights, and generate a final report. Other examples include autonomous coding agents, customer support automation systems, and security monitoring agents. These systems represent the next generation of intelligent software. To understand how AI agents actually work, we need to look at their architecture. A typical AI agent architecture consists of several key layers. At the top is the user interaction layer, where the user provides instructions or goals. Below that is the agent controller, which manages the workflow and coordinates the different components of the system. The core intelligence of the agent comes from the reasoning engine, which is usually powered by a large language model. Next comes the planning module, which breaks complex goals into smaller steps. The agent then interacts with tools and external systems, such as APIs, databases, or web services. Finally, the system interacts with the environment, where actions are executed and results are returned. This layered architecture allows AI agents to move beyond simple text generation and become decision-making systems capable of executing real operations. At the heart of most AI agents is a large language model, often referred to as the brain of the system. Large language models are responsible for interpreting user instructions, understanding context, and performing reasoning. When a user provides a task, the LLM analyzes the request and determines what needs to be done. For example, if the user asks for a competitive analysis of a company, the LLM may decide that it needs to gather information, analyze market data, and generate a structured report. The LLM does not directly perform these tasks itself. Instead, it decides which actions the system should take next. This reasoning capability allows AI agents to solve problems that require multiple steps and complex decision-making. In modern AI systems, the LLM acts as the central intelligence layer that orchestrates the entire workflow. One of the most important architectural patterns in AI agents is the agent execution loop. This loop defines how the agent repeatedly works toward completing a goal. The process starts when the agent receives a task. The LLM analyzes the task and decides which action should be taken. The agent then selects an appropriate tool or operation to perform that action. After executing the tool, the system observes the result and updates its context. If the goal has not yet been achieved, the cycle repeats. This loop continues until the system determines that the task is complete. Many popular AI frameworks use this architecture, allowing agents to perform multi-step reasoning and iterative problem solving. This execution loop is what makes AI agents capable of handling complex workflows. AI agents become significantly more powerful when they can interact with external tools. Without tools, an AI model can only generate responses based on its training data. But when connected to external systems, the agent can perform real operations. These tools may include web search APIs, databases, financial data services, cloud platforms, or code execution environments. For example, an AI agent analyzing stock data might retrieve real-time information from a financial API, perform calculations using a code interpreter, and generate insights based on the results. This ability to use tools transforms AI systems from passive knowledge models into active digital assistants capable of performing real tasks. In modern AI architecture, tools act as the bridge between AI reasoning and real-world execution. Memory is another essential component of AI agent architecture. Without memory, an agent would forget everything after each interaction. AI systems typically use two types of memory. The first type is short-term memory, which stores the current conversation context and recent actions. This helps the agent maintain continuity during an interaction. The second type is long-term memory, which allows the system to store knowledge over time. Long-term memory is often implemented using vector databases that store embeddings of documents or interactions. When the agent needs information, it can retrieve relevant data from the memory system and use it in its reasoning process. This capability allows AI agents to remember past interactions, learn from experience, and improve decision-making. As AI systems become more complex, a single agent may not be sufficient. This is where multi-agent architectures come into play. Instead of relying on one general-purpose agent, the system uses multiple specialized agents that collaborate with each other. For example, a planner agent may define the strategy, a research agent may gather information, a coding agent may generate software solutions, and a validation agent may verify the results. Each agent focuses on a specific role. By collaborating together, they can solve complex problems much more efficiently. Multi-agent systems are becoming increasingly important in advanced AI architectures. They allow organizations to build scalable and specialized AI workflows. AI agent architectures are already being used in real enterprise systems. In finance, AI agents analyze market data and generate automated insights. In cybersecurity, intelligent agents monitor network activity and detect anomalies. In software development, coding agents assist developers by generating code, debugging issues, and improving productivity. Businesses are also using AI agents for customer support automation, workflow orchestration, and data analysis. These systems are helping organizations reduce manual work and improve operational efficiency. As AI technology continues to advance, agent-based architectures are becoming a key component of modern enterprise platforms. Looking ahead, the role of AI agents will continue to grow. Researchers are exploring systems capable of self-improvement, continuous learning, and advanced collaboration between multiple agents. In the future, we may see entire digital ecosystems where AI agents manage workflows, coordinate business operations, and interact with software platforms autonomously. Some experts even predict the development of AI operating systems, where multiple intelligent agents work together to manage complex tasks across applications and services. For engineers and developers, understanding AI agent architecture today is essential for building the next generation of intelligent systems. AI agents are rapidly becoming one of the most powerful tools shaping the future of automation and digital innovation. Thank you for watching.